Welcome back, YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. We're going to go ahead and go over S&P 500 and also gold for tonight. So let's get into it. We're going to take a look here at this 10 tick, analyze some levels. We had a lot of bullish move to the upside here on S&P and also on gold. So we'll go over some of that. Did have a decent day for some movement on S&P and definitely on gold too. So we're actually looking for a continuation of the bullish move. You can see we have a target level sitting right up here at these 92s. Above that, I do have another target level sitting somewhere up at about the 3400. So if we continue to hold this support, we are going to see a continuation of the move up. Now, what do we want to see for that to happen? S&P, obviously, we're coming back down to some support. Our first area of a support is going to be somewhere right around the 75 to 76s if we can get this bounce. Now, if we don't get down to this level, well, let's just say if we do get down to the level, we are going to look for some support and a continuation up. Now, if we don't get down to that specific level, we're looking for price to come right back up above these 80.50, well, 33.80.50, and get that rotational support on the top. This is a key level right here, and this is a key indication that we're going to continue the bullish move right back into this prior peak right up here and then try to continue it into the 92s. So it's going to be important to look for that. Now, if we do break down below these 76s, we do have a measured move somewhere sitting right here at these 73s. So it's going to be important too to watch out for this prior peaks here, right here as resistance. So price can come into that level. But because we're in a strong bullish trend, this may have a great opportunity. Again, get this back up here, look for that failure to break lower, and then get that move right back up for a continuation. That's going to be a great opportunity for us if we get that during the London session. But again, if not, we can look for some support here at 76 for the bounces and then the continued move, or below that, we're going to come down into 73. And if we get below 73, definitely going to expect for a movement somewhere down right around this area here, right around these 60, 50, 60 even. Let's take a look at a 5 tick here real quick, get a good analysis on the 5 tick as well. Let me see here. So we are pulling down into this level right now, kind of bouncing around. Want to see if we can get it back down. No real opportunity of entry. Not going to really try to make one just yet. If we are, obviously it's going to be somewhere right here. It's going to be the edge of that specific volume profile. So it's going to be important to watch out for that edge there. And if we don't get down, like we said, get that pull back up, bounce right around this area, come right back into that bullish trend, and continue to move right back up into the 92s. So that's going to be an important level that we're looking for, right between these 76s or above those 80s for the support there. Now let's take a look over at gold, see what's going on with gold as well. Strong bullish momentum too, right back into the 2000s. Pretty impressive. We dropped back from these 2000s, dropped all the way down into the 1890s, and then we came all the way back up. So pretty awesome to see. Now, what are we looking for in this market right now? We do have a minor level of a support as of current. You can see that prior level peak of resistance sitting right here, and this is a key level that we're looking for some support to continue the move. Now, what do we have on the upside for the continuation of the move? It's going to be sitting right here. Our measured move is going to be sitting right at these 207s, almost 208. So we're just going to put it at 208. Well, it's actually 207.9 is our measured move. But we're looking for this support right in this general area right here. If we can get that support to hold, here comes the move right back up. So going to be very important to watch out for this. We do have a couple support holds. 1, 2, 3, well, 3, 4 levels of support, and it's coming right back into the area for a potential continued bounce. Now, what's important to know is if you're not comfortable with taking it right at this area, you can look for a press back up, a higher low movement right here, failure to go down, and then try to continue the move into these prior peaks, and then the continuation up to the 2008 level. So that's going to be what we're looking out for there. on gold. Now, if we do get below that specific level of support right here, then we will have a collapse right back down into our impulse level. Very important key thing to understand. If you guys don't know what that is, come and join us, whether it be in the room or for some live coaching, and you will understand how important it is to know about this specific area right here. But yes, if we pull below this level, more than likely we'll get a retest and then a continuational move down. But again, you can see how strong of a area that is going to be for some support. We are going to bounce, and in this bullish trend that we have a strong potential that we move right back up into our measured move. So watch out for this area. Want to see if we can hold it right up into the London session. If we can, it will be a great opportunity to get in on this trade. Now, if we get below it, we know exactly where we're going to be trying to go. We know our first target down below is going to be somewhere around these 96s, well, 97s, I guess you would say. So that's what we're going to be looking for. Let's go ahead and travel over to a 5-tick here real quick, give you guys a closer look at what we're looking at as of current price action movement. Now you can see sideways consolidation. Now, important to know, because every professional knows this is where they accumulate their contracts, right? So in order for a market to really trend in a direction, you need sideways consolidational periods, right? Markets don't necessarily trend as much as they go sideways. They actually go sideways, I'd say 70 to 80% of the time, and then they trend the other 20% of the time, right? So important to know that we're going sideways at this point, right? We're in that consolidational period, and if we're in that bullish trend, our markup move, as long as we hold this level, is going to be a mark upward into this continuation. Well, I guess you'd say, yeah, a mark up move would be upward. But yeah, it would be right into this level right here, our measured move. And if not, then of course we're going to be marking right back down to this level here. So important to know this. Again, you can see on this smaller chart here, 5-tick, where our best entries obviously would be right in this green zone. I know it's a little bit, well, 2001.2. Ideally, I'd like to enter somewhere right around here, which is 2000.6. So that would be my ideal entry. Low side would be somewhere around these 2000 even. So that's what I'd be looking for a long opportunity, and below that, obviously, for a short opportunity below 2000. That is it for the gold and also the S&P. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys have any questions or any comments, please go ahead and pop them here in the YouTube. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you guys did like this video, please smash that like button. If you guys are going to be in the London session, I will see you guys in there. If not, you guys all take care. Have a great night.